Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mechanical Radar. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss about ISRO Technical Assistant skill test for LPSC Center. So in this video we will discuss skill test syllabus, pattern and preparation strategy for mechanical engineering. So friends, as we know, the written exam of LPSC was held in February 2020. Okay, so the result is still pending. Okay, you know it, why it is pending. So it will be announced after complete lift up of lockdown. Only they can conduct the skill test after the complete lift up of lockdown. So guys, those who appeared for the LPSC exam, everyone is requested to share your marks in comment box, and you have to share your marks with your category, like UR category or OBC or SC or EWS. Okay, so share your marks out of 288 after revise answer key. Okay, you have to share your marks after revise answer key from 288. Okay, so from there we can also predict some actual cutoff for the 2020. Okay, so now before starting our video, go to Google Play Store and download our Mechanical Adda app. On our app you can give daily free quizzes and live classes and also watch many videos. For this you have to join our respective branch batches. Like for mechanical you can join mechanical batch, and for electronics you can join ECE batch. Okay, so if you want to join, you can also message me on the app, and you can also enroll for the courses and various test series for mechanical and electronics. So first we will start with the ISRO Technical Assistant selection procedure. So the selection procedure is based on the two stages. First stage is written exam, and then if you qualify the cutoff of written exam, you will appear for skill test. You will be called for skill test, and skill test is only qualifying. Your final selection will be based on 100% weightage with written exam. Okay, so for the final selection you have to qualify skill test. If you failed in a skill test, you will be out of the competition. Okay, and either you have topped in written exam, so does not matter, you have to qualify for the skill test. Okay, so qualifying skill test and also scoring good score in written exam is very important for the final selection. So guys, now we will discuss the pattern of skill test for LPSC center, and we will discuss skill test for 2016 and 2018 both exam. Okay, so this pattern and all the syllabus will be based on the experience shared by the people working in LPSC center from both the exam. Okay, uh, I have a conversation with them about complete discussion about this skill test, so now I will share it to you. Okay, so the timing of the skill test will be is same for the both exam. Okay, and about marks, they did not include the marks, only they said that the marks will be up to the scale of 100. Okay, and you have to score 60% marks to qualify it. So basically in 2016 exam, for the skill test they have given 10 question. Okay, 10 question is like descriptive question for the various subject. Descriptive like various numerical and theoretical question you have to write them, and also calculate the numerical, and few question from ED also, like isometric views and orthographic views. So all the subject includes in 10 question, and they ask only from the given syllabus. Actually, first let me tell you about the syllabus of the skill test in LPSC center. Only center to provide the syllabus of skill test. Okay, for technical assistant, LPSC provide syllabus along with the skill test call letter. Okay, so you don't have to worry, just you have to follow that syllabus and these 10 question will be asked from that syllabus only. So qualifying skill test for LPSC center is very easy because of this. Okay, so I don't know it will be continued in 2020 or not, but hope for the best. Okay, so first they will ask this 10 question from that given topic. Okay, and you have to just write like a written exam, take a descriptive written exam, and then after it they may call for some practical experiment like that may be only simple like in 2016. After this exam of 10 question, they have conducted few skill test of measurement. Okay, measurement like you have to measure some measure with vernier caliper or micrometer and various measuring device. You have to calculate some diameter of any cylindrical parts or something like this. So this kind of measurement skill will be test there. For the various instrument will be given there, you have to also select the instrument according to the question asked in that measurement. Okay, so you have to do uh, you have to prepare your measurement skill and boost up. So first important thing is measurement. Okay, so measurement is important here, and second one is in 2016 they have also conduct a kind of identifying some kind of mechanical couplings or like various joints like quarter joints. You just have to identify what kind of this equipment or coupling is, or joint or thread. This kind of things you have to identify from the given, it is given on the table, and you just have to name them. What is this, what kind of instrument is this? So you have just to identify this, and also you have to prepare your measurement skill. And coming back to 2018, they just only conduct this written exam, no this kind of skill test in that exam. Okay, so this kind of skill test have been followed in LPSC center. So I don't think this will be very difficult for anyone who have cleared the written exam. So those who will score higher in written exam, their chance of final selection will be high. Okay, so now I have discussed almost everything about the skill test. So I hope this video will be useful for you, and I just made this video in English because of the student from the South India, those who don't understand Hindi. So I hope I have completed very well and explained. If you find difficulties, I can also make this video in Hindi. So please comment about it. Did you understand this video in English? Okay, so now we will meet in next video. Okay, so bye bye, see you soon.